Okay, let's get started. I'm using the Firefox browser. You can use whatever browser you like. It doesn't really matter because SketchUp in the web-based version runs basically the same on all of them, on Chrome, on Opera, on the Windows browser, whatever. The first thing we need is access to SketchUp. So we're going to sketchup.com and we see we're on the website of Trimble, the vendor of SketchUp. And what's interesting for us now is the category plans and pricing. And we're going to personal use because this is where we find the web-based free version of SketchUp. So this version here on the left, except cookies. This version here on the left is the one we're working with in this course. It doesn't have all the functions that the professional versions have, and it doesn't come in a desktop version. But I think to get started in SketchUp and to do your own projects, this version really can do a lot. It's a powerful tool. And the best thing, of course, it's free. So if you're using SketchUp for personal uses, for your own project, for your own remodelings, for your own kitchen, building, bedroom, whatever, you can use this version for free. You get 10 GB of cloud storage, so you can switch also between computers or between operating systems because you have this web-based account that you can access from wherever you want. So the next thing you need to do is just click sign up, and it redirects you to a site where you register on Trimble or with Trimble. And I'm registered, of course. I already have my account. If you have your account, just continue. If you don't have your account, you need to create one now. Just follow the instructions and I see you on the front page of SketchUp.